And I think you'll agree, they are some nice looking cables. Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing? Paul the Tech Giant here, back with another cracking product for you. And today it is this VIVIFY light up cable. Now this is the ACESO W10 gaming USB type A to type C. Now just before we get into taking a closer look at these, I also have this HDMI cable, which is an RGB HDMI cable, which I will be covering in another video. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But getting back to these type C cables, as you can see, we have two of them. We have one in blue and one in red. So let's take a look at the specs. So lengthwise on this, we are looking at 3.2 feet or 1 meter. Moving around to the side, as we can see, is a light up cable. Fast charge QC 3.0, USB 3.2 Gen 2. And then we have the bandwidth there and the 2-year warranty. Moving round to the back, and we do have some of that information repeated there, but also it gives us the light up colour options, which are red, blue, purple, orange and green. Now, as much as it says on the front, gaming USB, it doesn't have to be used just for gaming. So you've got some examples there on the back. So power bank, laptop, game console, smartphone, tablet, and external hard drive. So let's pop one of these out of the box and see exactly what we are dealing with. Nicely presented there. First impressions, feels very nicely constructed. Nice solid cable. So as we can see, this is a very flat design, which could be handy for some people. Both ends have got the VIVIFY branding on it just there. We've got a blue strip running down either side. It's very nice, catches the light. And running down this side, you can see the part that actually lights up. So to start then, we're going to test the blue one first. So let's push in the connection at the back. There we go. And wow, fair play, that looks brighter than I imagined it would do in the daytime. Just take a look at that there. Yeah, looks really nice. Price-wise, I think at the moment they're about $25. I'll put a link in the description so you can go and check out the price for yourself. But I've got a PlayStation 5 controller here, so let's just plug that in. That's all working, yeah, so we've got power going to that. And that looks really, really smart. And let's move on and check out the red one. So I'm going to leave the blue one on so you can see how the red one compares. So let's just push it home. There we go. Not quite as vivid as the blue. And one thing to point out is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little bit dimmer at this end than it is at the end where the power's coming from. So it does fade out ever so slightly. Don't know how well that's coming across there. But let's do a test again. So I've got my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. There we go, that's powering that just fine. And yeah, I think they look really smart and, you know, it is a premium cable, so should be good for many, many years. Let's finally test out these cables in a darker environment. So we've come into my living room where we have my Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5. And we're going to plug the red one into the Xbox. There we go. And then finally, the blue one into the PlayStation. Both looking very nice indeed. But let's just lower the lighting just a little bit more. That gives you a better idea of what they're like. And then finally, let's turn down the lighting completely. And there we go. That is a wrap then, guys. Now, if you could just spare me 1 second to hit that thumbs up button, it would really make a massive difference to me and the channel. And don't forget, if you would like to see the unboxing of that RGB HDMI cable, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button also. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.